welcome back to Telescope. It's an auction video. We're going to run inside here and show you what we got. So hang on. Let's go.
I left like an hour early at work because I was like, I just felt a little. When I went to lunch, I'm like,
See, there's a radio.
maybe I shouldn't be driving.
See, that's got it. You gotta watch like you're around the garage and
Yeah, it's tender up in here, like right here, there's tender. That has a knot on it. It's not bruised to us, but it's all.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, he gets money.
I was like, Mom, are you alright?
He's got money to spend.
I had a little dog,
We went
but
to the
he
toy
didn't.
show.
I know it was like, sometimes I don't like my legs running. And I know.
He just spends money for mom.
Elko Violet Ray.
Yeah. But. Whatever. But yeah, there you go.
Our grandfather clock was different.
I mean, that was like the first time I fell in a long way. How hard.
The old ones, this isn't old.
No, I know it
Most
ain't.
of the time it's the old ones, there's nothing on it. You'll miss it. You can buy parts.
I mean, a couple years they helped out. I don't think I was wrong with that one.
What?
Yeah, I'll buy the shoes.
I went, I mean, I heard about it.
Nazis came, you can go around your house and you go there very good. So they take
What's going on, man?
And actually had nothing on it. And they were so big, most of them were much bigger.
Yeah.
Like that, they came.
I mean, the little bit of room.
There's nothing on it, and it's this big, well, I'm carrying it off.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
that's not, this is not.
Yeah.
It's the joys.
They're neat though, I like them.
I never knew why all my pieces, as you see online, you can go to the. Hey, what's up? And buy little stuff. You know, I'm happy. You learn something every day.
Go ahead, you do. You definitely do. What's that?
I'm in competition today.
Oh, yeah?
He went to grandma, to go visit grandma since he hasn't visited. He's been bitching, so he finally gave in and went to visit her after like a year.
Oh, jeez.
Better than nothing.
It's pretty good on reverse when I sleep. Now that's pretty good on reverse when I lay.
Canon EOS.
Was it okay? Is it okay today, you
Yeah,
say?
it's just that when I lay it, it really starts to hurt. It's just there's nothing.
Where's that big boy at today?
He went naturally to go visit grandma overnight. So, first time in, over a year.
You know what I see, did not. How old is he?
He just turned 13.
Fire King.
He is so serious.
What that is?
A weapon.
Blow gun.
Panasonic RF 757.
Could get one out back here.
Every day I'm here to sell.
Blow it in your gut.
He has a really nice website out there, all kinds of stuff, but I don't know, I can't find it on the website. Yeah, I can see, I don't know what you're gonna look at.
No, he sells it at Morningstar. He has a big stand up there. He has it, like where Sin Things used to be inside, straight outside.
There's the back right
Well, it's actually at front. As soon as you come out with 30, he's that first row.
there.
And he has a pretty big stand. Plus he rents 3 outside spaces across from him.
Panasonic FM 14.
He did, the other week he did $1,800 for that rent. And that was just one Saturday.
Forgetting the whole thing around the wheelbarrow.
About 3 weeks ago. Then the Saturday after that he did 600, and then last week he did 500. And that was only Saturdays.
Just so he keeps up the good work, Kay. You gotta give him credit. He's got this, he's starting out the right way.
Yep, he hustles.
So you're doing a wonderful job.
He gets a little lazy when it's time to set up. Because the guy goes see all his girlfriends on Friday and they're...
Digital Sound Lab, Super Wolf.
You know, he got to rub with the vendors, you know. And then he comes out, he goes, Mom, you gotta go pay the by-the-pound deli lady that used to get where Sin Things is. I ordered stuff from by-the-pound deli, you gotta go pay her. I'm like, oh, I see how it is.
Hey.
They just make a tab and I pay it at the end.
Get more, good guys, really.
He's doing such a wonderful job.
He does well, he does well.
Hey, you're doing a wonderful job. Just get him started.
Yeah. He just... Now, today, hopefully he can get his asthma and stuff. A shot comes today for his asthma.
Realistic 12, 121.
So that comes today, so hopefully that'll work.
He doesn't want to.
Alright, I gotta get up here.
You're right.
Where's your better half?
You guys
Too
down
much
there all the
standing.
time.
Somebody got to do the work.
Yeah, he's got a lot of work. Did you hear how many ducks and chickens they have and stuff? A lot.
So many.
Oh my God, they got oodles.
Morning, how you doing? Good, how about you? You know, the guy was telling me the other day,
Yeah, that's
you know how his wife treats her hair? You should take that, plus 2 raw eggs over it, massage it in her hair, and then shampoo it out. Never hurt.
People do a lot of.
You need everything on each table.
Ha!
You know that?
Yeah, like my...
I kinda doubt it.
Think?
I kinda doubt it.
I can do Carhartt.
One more after the collection.
Yeah, add another one to it.
I can do Carhartt.
Did you set up a route yet?
They're wonderful. But you don't
You
have...
don't go over there? And Saturday we went to the animal sale, but we walked over there. It was translated in the morning, so I was pretty crowded.
Thanks, Mike.
Oh, my.
Bolo.
No, and one birdhouse got gas in it. And I paid $30 more last month for the bill. And it really didn't go.
Normandy Glow Traveler Jr.
It said to them, next year you're up to 80, 75 degrees, it's gonna be 40. If you don't keep them up, if you keep them lower, they get different blood. I guess you don't have to have it that hot.
I got 10 phone calls. My social security card was all mixed up.
So they're on it
They
too.
want to get it straightened out
Oh,
for me.
right, yeah.
They kept calling me. But you can't pretend all these people. They just,
Right, yeah, mine ain't right.
I've had my social security card since I'm 12 years old. No number. Our neighbor.
I think they might have a few die-cast here today.
Yeah. Nothing that seems,
Doesn't look like anything worth any money, but definitely got some bottles.
huh?
So definitely got some bottles.
Yeah.
Tray loads of them. All right, guys, now we're back with a haul. We're going to show you what we got. We were at a community aid as well, so we're going to show you what we got from there, and not too bad. The first piece, actually, I had already listed. It's a Grundig shortwave radio. I'll pop up a picture on the screen here. I paid $30 for it. I paid up for it. I only spent like $80 at the whole auction. I only got like 6 pieces. So I paid $30 for that one. That's almost half of it. I was hoping it would work. It'd be a $150 sale. Well, the sad part is, it doesn't work. I tested it last night. So I listed it. Got a couple offers in it, but they're lowballing me. I'm trying to get $50 free shipping for it. That way I can at least break even or close to break even. So we'll see. Next one is going to be this guy. It's a Panasonic Am FM Radio. It's an antique. Picked that one up, I think, for $3 or $4. This is an old Panasonic as well. I'm hoping this one works. Picked that up for the same price, $4. Needed a multimeter. One of the other vendors. I was like, hey, you want to sell me one of those? He goes, yeah, give me $1, whichever one you want. Okay, I'll take that one. This is a key lot, vintage key lot. People actually collect these, believe it or not. Got that for $4 as well. And then DVD VHS combo, a Zenith. That I thought it had a remote. Take notice, just the wrong name. So we'll list that separately, but I'll still get like $50 out of that. So this one was actually a pretty good find. I mean, they got some markings on them, but I'll get them cleaned up, and these are really crazy. Just kind of sucks they have initials on them. But I got that lot for $25, I think it was. And those should sell anywhere from $40 to $60 a pair. That'll work out really well. Then we were at Community Aid, and I picked this guy up. It's an Epson V300 flatbed scanner. I'm probably going to keep this one. It's actually a really good scanner. If I don't keep it, I'll end up selling it. I paid $6.50 for this thing. Comps on this are anywhere from $50 to $100. This one I'm definitely selling. This is an Epson XP440. This one comps out at $75 to $100, and they sell-through rate is almost 400%. So I'm definitely selling that one, and I picked that one up for $6, and it wasn't even on half price. It was just normally priced at $6. So sometimes you win, sometimes you really win. Last piece I got is this guy here, Thomas the Tank Station. I sent one of these to Tendo, for parts, hoping he could use them. And then the other one I had sold. I made pretty decent money on them. I think I got that one for like $3. I think they sell for around $20, $25, if I remember right. But pretty decent. I'm happy with it. So not a spectacular haul, but everything that we got is pretty fast movers, which is kind of what I've been focusing on lately and trying to get stuff moving. I need to reduce like my size of my inventory or get it moving faster, one of the two. So, but we're doing okay. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. See you on the next one.